Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome back to our new lesson. I hope everyone is doing well children. So let us go with the next lesson. In the previous class we have learned about the keyboard. Now let's see about the mouse. Not your home mouse. It's not like that. Okay? Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in around your houses. Let's know about it. See, this is nothing but right mouse. What we are having at your homes. So a mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Yes. It is a smaller big in size, children. Yes, it is a small in size. This is nothing but a tail. We are having tail. So it run very fast or slow? Yes, it run very fast. So let's talk about the computer mouse. This is a house mouse, what we are having in your houses. So let us talk about the computer mouse. See, this is nothing but a computer mouse. This it's exactly the same of this, but they're having the different functions. Okay. So this is nothing but a mouse. This is nothing but a mouse pad on which we are keeping the mouse. It is small. Yes, this is a smaller big children. Yes, this is also a small. It has it is looks like a real mouse. See, it's look like a real mouse or not? Yes, it is small in size. It is also small inside. It has a tail and it also has a tail. So it has 2 to 3 buttons on it. So we are having 2 to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 buttons we are having on a mouse. It has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. Nowadays we also have a wireless mouse. Yes. See, this is a wire which is fixed to the CPU. But nowadays we are having a mouse without wire. Okay, nothing but on a laptop. We can see wire on laptop. No, we are having but mouse. Same. Your mouse help us to what is the use of mouse, children? Let us know. We can draw pictures, we can select any item on the monitor, we can play games. With the help of this mouse, what we can do, we can draw pictures, we can select any item on the monitor. Yes, with the help of these two buttons, we can select, we can drag and we can play the games. When we move the cursor, we can see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This is called this arrow is called the mouse pointer. See, nothing but whenever we are moving this mouse, the mouse pointer is moving from here. Then this is nothing but a small arrow. It is called as what, children? Mouse pointer. Whenever we move this mouse pointer also will move from here and there. Okay. How to hold a mouse, children? Okay, let us see. Look at this picture, children. Look at this picture. This is our index finger. This is nothing but our index finger. This is our middle finger. This is one scroll wheel. Right button, left button. How many buttons we are having? 2 to 3 buttons. Right button, left button. So index finger we should keep on left. Middle finger we should keep on the right. This is nothing but a scroll. Up and down scroll. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. Yes, place your index finger on the left. Place the middle finger on the right. Hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers and thumb. Rest of your palm on the mouse. See, just we have to keep your index finger on here and the middle finger here, and we have to hold with our palm. Okay, children? Using the mouse button. All of us have seen a camera. What you should do? What will you say to your parents if you want to take the photograph? Let me click your photograph. The mouse also has the same function here. This is nothing but a camera. Here also we are having the same clicking. Press karna. Press what we call? Press once, click. Pressing the mouse button once, it is called clicking. This selects an item. Whenever we are clicking this, the item will be open only from first clicking. Double click. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. This makes 2 click sounds and opens an item. This also opens an item. You have to click 2 times. Double clicking. So children, this is a function of a mouse. How to hold using mouse buttons, and we are having clicking and double clicking. Okay. So we have to keep your index finger on the left button, middle finger on the right button, and we are having scroll wheel. This is nothing but a mouse and its function. It is a small in size. It looks like a real mouse. It has how many buttons, children? 2 to 3 buttons. It also has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. This tail is fixed to the CPU. Okay, children? I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.